To create a Trust Wallet, start by downloading the Trust Wallet app from the official website or a reputable app store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Create a New Wallet. You will be asked to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After agreeing, you will be prompted to create a strong and unique password. It is essential to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure the security of your wallet. Next, you will be given a set of seed phrases, also known as recovery phrases, which are used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is crucial to store these seed phrases in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. Never share your seed phrases with anyone, as this can compromise the security of your wallet. After securing your seed phrases, you will be asked to verify them by re-entering the phrases in the correct order. Once your wallet is created, you will be taken to the main dashboard, where you can view your wallet address, balance, and transaction history. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your app and device up to date. Regularly back up your wallet and store the backup in a secure location. Be cautious when receiving or sending cryptocurrency, and always double-check the recipient's address to avoid any errors. By following these best practices, you can create a secure and reliable Trust Wallet.